In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix missing photos or videos on iPhone. So, if you can't find your photo, make sure to open up the Photos app. And it will show up on the recent. So technically, all of your photos show up on the recents, and if you can't find it in the library, make sure to check it on your recent. So another place that we can check if we can't find the missing photos or videos is the recently deleted. So let's scroll down to the bottom and click on recently deleted, and it will ask for your face ID. And if you can't find it here, it means you deleted it, or it's not there. And another place that we can also check is the import. So click on imports, and you will see all of your imported photos right here. Either you've sent it to yourself or sent it to another device, you'll find it right here. And that's about it. That's how to fix missing photos or videos on iPhone. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll do my best to help you out.